Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tina. What's going down? Come on, give them some praise. All right, so I'm here to announce the winner of my hidden giveaway on my video entitled A Girl in Her Jars Mason Jar Comparison. I put that video out 1 week today, which was last Saturday, and all you had to do was leave a comment, and in your comment, you had to say, hey, to mason jars. I had quite a few people that left me comments, which I am so thankful and grateful for that, because you all, I really live and survive off the comments of my subscribers. You all let me know you're there, you're seeing, you're listening, you're participating, and it makes me feel good. So I thank you to all of the people that left a comment on that video. However, we only had 4 people to leave in their comments, hey, to mason jars. And so what I'm going to do, because I only have 4 people that actually responded in that manner, I'm going to allow all of them to be winners. I will be sending out 4 prize packages of die cuts of my various mason jars. Okay, so we have Mo Creations, Mel Arc, Cherry Ransom, and Diane White. You all have 1 week to forward me your address. You can message me through Instagram. You can send me an email. Either way, to let me know what your address is so that I can get your packages out. Once again, our winners are Mo Creations, Mel Arc, Cherry Ransom, and Diane White. You all have 1 week, which is up to next Saturday, September the 28th, to forward me your information. Thank you again for stopping by my channel, viewing my video, because I know that one particular video was a little lengthy. And if you commented, hey, to mason jars, I know that you watched the entire video because that came at the end. So once again, thanks to all of the people that stopped by and watched that video. Thanks to those who left me a comment, and congratulations to my winners. I hope you all enjoy the mason jar die cuts that I'll send you. All right, until next time, you all stay blessed. Keep creating.